Hi guys, so this morning I tried to go ahead and go into my KOK Play app, and when it launches it just immediately crashes. And what's happening is the developer profile that this app is now under has probably expired. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into settings, and then you're going to have to scroll down and go to general, and then under VPN and device management, underneath enterprise apps, right now it says China Everbright Bank Company, and that is the profile that was verified for KOK Play. As you can see now, it is not verified, and no matter how many times you press verify app, it won't work because as of now, this whole profile is no longer valid. So what you're going to have to do is do not press verify app. I found it's actually better to go ahead and click the delete app button, and then go ahead and delete the whole app off of your phone. And then that profile is going to completely go away. From here, you're going to have to go into your Safari, and I go to Google and just type in KOK Play download, and you'll be able to load up this screen. I'm going to tap iOS to install the latest version. It's going to install it. And then if I go and look at my most recent apps, KOK, Untrusted Enterprise Developer. So what I have to do now is I have to go into settings and go into VPN and device management. And now, as you can see, the enterprise app name has changed. So that's probably why it wasn't working in the beginning, because they completely changed the profile that the app is now under. So if I go in here and click trust and then trust, it's now saying that it's verified. So I should be able to go back to the app and open it right up, and it'll work.